The air bleed into the ECS system. Remember that valve there is in the undercarriage bay. So that's right down in the undercarriage bay. But then we've got all of the sensing, look, for the rate sensor, etc. And then the diverter valve underneath, which we can then feed into the exhaust. Okay, fuel pump, the oil pump assembly. Oil's always shown in green, guys. That's usually by convention. So the oil system, okay, with the oil cooler, and then the distribution system feeding all of the internal bearings, and the fuel system, okay, simple enough, isn't it? Coming from the fuel tank, there's that shrouded line. Remember, the valve is in tank 2, just by the DC pump, and into the fuel pump assembly, and then into the metering unit, from the metering unit around to that diverter, which actually should be drawn underneath. Yeah, because that little switching valve is underneath, okay, not on the top there. And then we've got the primary and secondary, and then when we shut it down, it dumps it overboard. And then we've got the servo fuel also coming out. And the servo fuel, I don't think it shows, here's the servo fuel here. Here's the servo fuel coming out. And the servo fuel is available, look, to our IGV controller and also to the diverter valve. So we can trim the diverter valve and we can control